Um, Good day. My name is Italo Osvaldo Quintana Peña. I am software analysis and development student. This presentation is tourist place and my region, the Tinajas waterfall. Location located between municipalities of Miraflores and Zipaquirá, Boyacá, Colombia. Access from to the Miraflores, Guanatá. The Miraflores Rato Rusa Bridge, and the ascent is 1 hour. It is a humid Andean and tropical forest. General description: flora, ferns, high and dense forests, moss, pines, trees, palm trees. Fauna: bluebirds, woodpeckers, canaries, and beetles, uh, squirrels, insects. Attractions: waterfall, natural pool, hiking, bird watching, rappelling. Detailed description: HI2 waterfall, 150-meter height, the Koina natural pool. The air fresh and same with armand of the stable. The water is crystal clear and emerald green. The sound of falling water is relaxing and refreshing. Sensations: peace, relaxing waterfall zone, adventure to walk along the ecological trail, freshness, tropical climate, very good. Personal opinion. Um, my personal opinion is the Tinajas waterfall is ideal tourist destination for the seeking peace, adventure, and natural birth. It's a perfect place, escape the hustle and escape of the city, natural bacity, clear atmosphere, easy access, and activity in repair. Thank you for very your time.